How to delete Call of Duty mobile account permanently through the support team on their website. Welcome to this brief tutorial, where we'll guide you on deleting your Call of Duty mobile account permanently. To get started, you'll need to go to the game's official website. Look for the support section located usually at the bottom of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the support section, look for the Support Options button. It is here where you'll request the deletion of your account. You'll be redirected to a form. Fill in your details, including your username and email address linked to your account. Don't forget to mention your reason for deactivation. Once you've filled out the form, it's time to specify your request. In the subject field, type Request for Account Deletion. This will help the support team understand your needs immediately. In the description box, go into detail about why you want to delete your account. Be clear and concise. Remember, the more information you provide, the better they can assist you. After filling in all fields, double-check the information and click Submit. This will send your request to the Call of Duty mobile support team. You'll receive an email confirming your request. It may take several days for the support team to process it, so be patient. Once they finalize your request, you'll get an email confirming your account deletion. After this, your Call of Duty mobile account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. You've successfully requested to delete your Call of Duty mobile account. We hope this tutorial has been helpful.